Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford Transit 250. So right now the current problem is with the rear door on the right side. Sometime it would open and sometime it wouldn't open. So right now this is locked, the rear door locked. Now I'm gonna press unlock and it wouldn't open. Sometime it opens, sometime it doesn't. So this is locked, can't open it. Press unlocked, it wouldn't open. But if I open it manually with the key, there you go, it gets stuck. You see how it gets jammed? Oh, I pushed that kind of hard, but it's okay. Now let me try it again. I'm gonna unlock it. There you go, you can see I'm gonna lock it and it's locked. So the problem is with the door latch, it's acting up. I already opened it and I checked it out. It's not the key battery is okay. I checked it when I test for power at the door latch connector. Now for the cover right here, you're gonna pry it out. It's all clipped, very easy, and then get the piece of clear cover out, and then you can get to the door latch actuator here, the connector. Now let me show you from the inside. So right now, see it's locked. I press locked, the lock went down. It doesn't want to open up. See that? Sometime it would, sometime it wouldn't open. There you go, see that? Now it's locked. Wouldn't open. There you go. So that's mean the door lock actuator is acting up. So now I'm gonna try to open it from the inside. The inside open. There you go. This door open also. Now I'm gonna show you how to check for power at the door latch connector. Now for the door latch connector, I'm gonna press on this tab right here. Ooh, it's tight. Cool, there you go. And make sure you guys check for the pin inside here. Make sure it's not damaged, bent, or corroded. Check for the wires in the back. Make sure there's no rip broken. I'll show you how to check for the power and ground when I press unlocked and locked. So right now I have my power probe. I'm gonna touch one of the pin. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna lock it. So when I press lock, you're gonna see it sends power. There you go, you see that? Now for the other one, for the other pin, when I press unlocked, it's gonna send power. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'm pressing it. There you go. When I press it, it sends power. You guys can see. Let me try it again. I'm gonna try lock it now on the other pin. So I'm gonna lock it. You see that? See how it sends power down right away? So it's not the key, it's the door latch that's acting up. So on the other pin, I'm gonna press unlocked. I'm gonna press unlock. There you go. You see how it sends power down? So that's mean the key is good. The battery in here is good. It's responding. When I press locked and unlocked, it sends power down. But the door lock actuator doesn't want to work. So that's mean the door lock actuator is going bad. To show you with the connector plugged in, I use one of my electrical tool right here. Right now I have it into the brown wire. So earlier was with the connector out, now is with the connector into the door latch. Now I'm gonna show you when I press locked. Look, this is locked. Sends power right away. You see it? Every time I press it, it sends lock. Now I'm gonna show you on the green wire. show you on the green wire. I'm putting it on the green wire right now. So I have ground, okay. Now I'm gonna press unlock. You're gonna see it sends power down right away. So right now it's locked. I'm gonna unlock it. There you go. Press unlocked. There you go. I got the door latch here. Comes with the 2 cable too. This is the whole assembly right here. This is original. I bought from Ford. That's the part number. I bought this. List price is $420, but I bought it for $320. This cable right here, which is the one up here. So for that one, for the lock, you can see. Let me give you a better view. You can see there's a 2 lock right here on the side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press this in and push up to get it out of the bracket. And then for this one, for this stick right here, this is for the key from the outside. So when you turn the key, this whole stick go up and down. For this one, this is later after you get out the whole assembly. Now for the assembly, there's 3 Torx bolts holding on to it and 1 connector. Now let me show you from this angle. Well, I got this one out already. So this was sitting in here in this little bracket right here. So what I did is I told you press in the 2 lock, push it up, and then once you push it up, you can get enough space for you to get this cable through the slot right here. And then for the one with the sitting on the bracket right here, just pry it out. Pry the bottom one out too, sitting right here. And then for the latch, there's 1 connector. Press on this lock. Press on this tab right here. Pull back. Now let me show you the one for the key. It's a little bit harder. Now you can see the one for the key with the stick is right there. What you're gonna do is, so the lock looks like this, and then the stick sits inside in the slot right here. What you're gonna do is you want to spread this 2 lock like this. So basically you're gonna spread it out like this, so you get a little bit of gap in between, and then that way you can move the stick out of the way. You can see I got the stick out already, using my toothpick. I'm gonna show you later. For the cable here, this cable right here is the one that goes all the way up to the top lock right there, for that one. Now for the cable, all you got to do is pull it out of the slot. There you go. And then for the door latch, just a torque. Let me show you for the inner cable, the inside handle, some other cable too. I'm going to show you on this one. Also the same thing. All the bracket is the same thing. Now the one on top right here, you can see I'm going to use a plier to pinch those 2 locks together and get them passed through the slot right here. For the lock, kind of try to get it through. There you go. And then use the plier to pinch the lock right here. This cable is for the inner handle. This is for the inside handle. And then you gotta get the cable. Same thing. The one on the inside, the one that goes all the way to the top of the lock. You're gonna pinch the 2 lock right here. Get it to pass the slot, and then you can move the cable. After you got the 2 cable out, let me show you again. This is the cable that goes all the way up top on that top lock right there. For this one, this is the inner handle. This is the inner handle. And then for this cable, once you get the whole latch assembly out, this cable is for the outer handle. So it's kind of hard. Press on this tab, pull down. For this one, I might have to use the plier to get it to pass the slot. The outer handle, what I did is I used my needle nose right here. So what I did is I pinched the cable, and then I pried it against it. So I popped it out like this, and once you pop that out, you can move the cable out of the little slot here, the ball where the ball stay in. And then for the one with the key, the one where the stick sits in the lock, so I use the pick. So I use my toothpick here. So what I did is one of my pick, I picked down the lock right here to spread it down, and then I use my my 90 right here. What I did is I pushed the stick out, so one pry the lock down, and then I pushed the stick out. So it took me like 3 seconds to get it out. Yeah, that's basically everything right there. And then I'm just gonna put in the new one. Make sure you guys check the bottom connector, the one that you guys took out from the latch on the bottom. Make sure you guys check the pin inside here. Make sure it's not bent, damaged, or corroded. Check the wire. Make sure there's no broken, rip. Same thing for this one. Check the pin inside. Check the wires, and then just go ahead and put everything back. Another thing I noticed on the new one, it comes with the cable for the key. So the one you use for the key, the one I used, the plier to pop it out. It comes with the assembly too, and this one has a ball on top where it hooks onto the key lock when you turn it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the cable here, since I already have the old one still here. If you guys want to use the new one, you're gonna have to take out the cable here, and you're gonna have to take out the whole outer handle to get to the little ball right here. So since the key is still working, I'm just gonna use the old one. I'm just gonna pop this one into my new one right here. I'm gonna take the new one out. I'm not gonna use it, so I'm just gonna, it's a lot faster for me to pop the old one into the lock than just removing the whole handle assembly right here. So it's taking a lot more time. Let me show you one more time where all the cable go before I put them back. So you can see the one for the key, I got it into the slot already. I had it on the bracket. The one on the inner handle here, I got it into the lock right here too, and then put them back in the slot. And then for the one on the inside, the one for the cable right here, I got it into the slot already, put it onto the bracket. That one goes all the way up top to the top lock. Make sure you guys don't forget your bottom connector. Make sure you guys reconnect the bottom connector, reconnect the one on the outside. There you go. And then I'm gonna push the stick up to get it back to the key slot, and then that way I can snap it back into the bracket, and then put the 3-bolt back, and then push this little lock all the way up here. Now you can see I got the stick in already. Let me show you for the I got the key outside. So there you go, I'm turning the key, it's working. You can see at the bottom it's pushing the lock. There you go, it's good. Now before I put the cover back, I'm gonna make sure everything works. There you go. Okay, that's locked. Let me open it with the key. There you go. Open. It's good. Locked. There you go, it's locked. Open. There you go. Now let me try with the Now I locked it. I just locked it, so it's good. Now I'm gonna open it. Unlocked. There you go. Oh, there you go. You guys remember before it wouldn't work with the key, with the button. I can open it manually, it works, lock and unlock, but when I try to unlock it and try to open it, it doesn't want to open. So now I'm gonna lock it. There you go. Locked, worked, unlock. There you go. It's working. Now I'm gonna check from the inside. Unlock the car. Yes, it's working. This door is working. Close it. There you go. There you go. That's good. Locked. You can see the lock jump down. Unlock. See how it jumps up right away when I press unlock. Before it wouldn't jump up. Now it's locked. See how when I press it, it jumps right back up. Now I'm just gonna put the old cover back, the little sheet cover, and then the outer cover. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a door latch actuator. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. No, I'm out. Peace.